Did you know that with just 5 standard SAP reports, you can implement the following supply chain dashboard in your organization? I invite you to stay until the end. We applied an information button in all the visualizations. In the general view of the aggregated demand, we have different slicers or filters. We have also added dynamic cards to show the total of the selected demand, average per quarter, and monthly average. In the daily variance view, we will be able to observe the snapshots of the demand behavior in order to determine its stability. And in the bookmarks or tooltips, it will indicate the amount, either positive or negative, of this variance. The heat map shows the periods with the largest demand variations and allows drilling down into the details with just one click. In the demand details, you can select family or part number and compare the current demand against the previous days to detect the exact changes. With the traffic light, we can visualize the inventories we have in our factory and finished products, as well as what is in transit to the distribution center and what is already available in it. With the slicers, we will filter by product family or specific part number, as well as also select the quantity by which we want to make the simulation for the planning and weekly buckets and be able to visualize in an effective way the coverage of our materials. In the first scenario, considering only the material already available in the plant, and in the second scenario, the materials in transit pending to be released, and the open purchase orders with delivery date in the following weeks. In open production orders, we will see totals, about to expire, expired and their percentage with the option to visualize by count or by quantity, facilitating their administration and control. In purchase orders, we will have the totals, expired, about to expire, and late percentage with the option to visualize by count or by quantity. It also includes filters by supplier and purchasing group and a top 5 of suppliers. In requisitions, you will see the status and late percentage. You can visualize by count or by quantity, as well as the top 10 by purchasing groups. Likewise, by quantity or by order count. In the inventory dashboard, you will see bars with the daily behavior and segmentation by location, with the option to analyze by value or quantity. With the AI of Power BI, you will be able to break down increases or decreases in dynamic charts, such as waterfall, scatter, or ribbons. In addition, a donut chart shows the distribution by location and top 10 contributors, while the cards give the quick view of the inventory in value and quantity. The decomposition tree shows available inventory by family, material, and description, helping to identify where it is concentrated. The scorecard shows on-time orders and inventory levels against the internal targets. Therefore, if you use SAP and would like to implement this dashboard, contact me through this network or by email. I also invite you to my data analysis and Power BI course with full syllabus, lifetime access, updates, and certificate upon completion. Below, I leave you the link aprendolia.com/curso/Power BI.